Hi, today in algebra we're looking at equations. So the first equation is x plus 5 equals 8. So we need to think of the letter just being a missing number. So we work this out by doing it the opposite way around using inverse. So it's 8 minus 5 equals 3. So x is 3. So we can write that there to check our sum. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. So we know x equals 3. So our next equation is b minus 5 equals 7. So we start with 7 and we do the opposite to add the 5 back on, which is 12. So b is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. So b is 12. So in algebra, they write it here as 5c. 5c actually represents 5 times something. So they don't actually write the time symbol down because otherwise it starts getting too complicated. So you've just got to know where it says 5c, it's 5 times something. So you might know from your timetables facts that 5 times 4 is 20. Or you can do 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So C equals 4. Right. The next question is, if P equals 6, what is the value of 3P plus 5? So it's not actually 3p pence because we're looking at algebra. So what we know is P represents 6. So this is actually 3 times 6. So we can do that part of the sum first because that's following our bid maths rules. So we do that as 18. So 18 plus 5 is 23. So that is the value of this equation, 23. Right, the next one is solve the equation 3x plus 8 equals 44. Okay, so we can start with 44 and then we'd actually do the opposite, so we'll minus 8 to get 36. So that's this part of the equation finished. So we could actually just cross through that if we didn't want to get confused. Right, so we know this is 3 times something. So we've got 36. So we need to divide that by 3, which gives us 12. So it's 3 times 12. So we know x equals 12. So the last one for today is solve 10x minus 5 equals 85. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the final number, which we know, and we'll do the opposite. So we'll do the inverse by adding 5 back on, which is 90. Okay, we know this part is 10 times something. So I'm sure you'll all know your multiplications. So I'm sure you'll be able to work out 10 times 9 is 90. Or we can do 90 divided by 10 equals 9. So basically x is 9. And we can check that back. 10 times 9 minus 5 is 85. And obviously you always do your multiplication first because that's following the bid maths rules. Thank you for watching today and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.